In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create these tracking effects in Premiere Pro. Here is before the tracking effect, and here is after the tracking effect. So here I'm in Premiere Pro. I have the clip right here on my timeline that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. But before we start doing the tracking, you're going to head over to this button editor, and then you're going to add a few buttons down here. So let's add the roller button and then the show guides. I press OK. So you're going to activate both buttons. And then with the clip selected on the timeline, you're going to head over to Effects Controls. Within Effects Controls, you're going to make the scale about 120 to avoid black bars like this after tracking. Next, what you want to do is to look for a particular place or a particular point on the image that you want to track. For example, let's say I want to track his nose. So I'm going to move these guidelines to the nose right here. I'm going to create like a cross on his nose. Now, what I want to do is to make sure that his nose is at the meeting point of these two lines, that is at the middle right here. So I'm going to zoom in a bit. Let's say 100. Okay, that's too much. Let's make that 75 or 50. Sorry, yeah, 50 is fine. Now, after doing that, you're going to head over to position, and then you're going to add a keyframe. After adding a keyframe, you're going to move the playhead 3 frames ahead, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to reposition the clip like this. So you're going to move the clip or the image down, and then move it to the left a bit. So I am making sure the middle of the nose is at the meeting point of both lines. So after repositioning it, I'm going to move 3 frames again, 1, 2, 3, and then do the same thing here and here. So there I have it. I'm going to move 3 frames ahead again, 1, 2, 3, and then repeat the same process. 1, 2, 3 again. So at every 3 frame mark, you're going to reposition the image, making sure that whatever you are tracking is at the meeting point of both lines. So when you are done with others, you are going to fit this back to frame like so. Now when I play this back, so do want to take your time to do all the tracking frame by frame to get the best results. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, and also do want to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.